Let me ask you something. How many times have you stood in front of your closet, sighed and thought, I need new clothes to feel stylish again? I see it all the time. Women convinced that a shopping trip is the solution, but it's really about buying more. Your wardrobe probably already has everything you need. What's missing is strategy, intention, and a little creative play. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rebuild your style using the pieces you already own, in ways that feel modern, confident, and perfectly aligned with who you are today. No shopping required, no chasing trends, just smart, intentional styling that brings your wardrobe to life. Style isn't about quantity, it's about intention. When we buy more clothes hoping to fix dissatisfaction, we're only masking the real problem. Adding more without a strategy creates clutter, not style. We may feel momentarily satisfied, but the result is a closet full of pieces that don't talk to each other, and outfits that feel uninspired. Instead, start with what you already have and notice. Which pieces feel effortless to wear? Which items make you feel unmistakably yourself? Which combinations spark confidence, energy, or joy? This isn't just aesthetics, it's psychological. When your choices are intentional, your brain reads alignment, confidence naturally rises, and outfits read modern and alive, without needing a single new garment. You're creating a wardrobe that communicates who you are today, not who you used to be or who you think you should be. Okay, let's get practical. Step 1. Identify your core pieces, the foundation of your wardrobe. This might include a well-fitted blazer, a versatile midi skirt, a classic white blouse, neutral trousers or tailored pants, a soft cashmere sweater, a flowing silk dress. This is totally personal, by the way, but the one requirement is that they have to be perennial enough. Next, look for new ways to combine them. Small changes make a huge difference. Layer a polo shirt under a striped shirt and put a sweater over it. And why not put a blazer on top of it all? Add a statement belt, a scarf, or a brooch to a plain outfit. Place your accessories in unexpected places, like a brooch on the hem of your sweater, a scarf as a belt. Mix textures, leather with silk, knit with crisp cotton, matte with metallic. Each tiny adjustment transforms a familiar outfit into something modern, alive, and uniquely yours. The magic isn't buying more. It's in making what you already own work smarter. Here's where many women hesitate. Introducing energy or friction. It can feel risky or age inappropriate, but friction is your friend. Energy doesn't mean loud. It doesn't mean eccentric. It's subtle, a hint of contrast, tension, or unpredictability that makes an outfit feel intentional and modern. Examples include a flowing, soft dress over pants, patterned or colored tights paired with a neutral skirt. A delicate chain belt over a classic blouse or a blazer. Tying a scarf in your jeans loops. Adding casual shoe to a refined outfit. Or the opposite, a dress shoe or purse with a relaxed outfit. Stylish women over 50 are masters of friction. They nudge their outfits just enough to bring life and personality without overpowering the overall look. Try it yourself. Pick one outfit today and add one small element that slightly disrupts expectation. Even a single tweak will immediately make the outfit read alive and intentional. Tell me in the comment section. I would love to see what you came up with. Rebuilding style isn't just about clothing, it's psychological. It's about reclaiming confidence, expression, and presence. When you work with what you already own, you're creating a conversation with yourself. You're asking, does this outfit communicate who I am today? How can I tweak it to feel more alive? Which combinations feel playful, elegant, or strong? This practice does two critical things. You stop blaming your wardrobe for feeling uninspired. You reinforce your personal style as a reflection of your evolving self, not a static collection of garments. Every woman over 50 has the capacity to look modern and expressive. The secret isn't in new purchases. It's in consciously making your pieces work harder for you. You're teaching your brain to see potential, to recognize energy, and to create outfits that communicate presence and intention. So here's the takeaway. You don't need a new wardrobe to feel modern, confident, and stylish. What you need is awareness of your core pieces, intention in every outfit, energy through subtle friction, permission to express yourself. Begin today. Pick one outfit you know well. Experiment with one tweak. Notice how it transforms your presence, your confidence, and the story your wardrobe tells. This completes our Style Reset series, a roadmap to clarity, confidence, and modern style after 50. Remember, style evolves with you. Your wardrobe isn't holding you back. Your choices are. Start consciously, and the transformation is immediate. Thanks so much for staying with me until the end. See you next week. Ciao, ciao, everyone.